Imagine leading an organization where the way people work is fundamentally shifting. You're not just implementing new processes or technology, you're transforming how teams collaborate, how leaders lead, and how employees create value. This is the challenge of workforce transformation, a really complex yet essential journey for medium to large organizations. I'm Rob Llewellyn, and today we'll explore what true workforce transformation looks like and how successful organizations manage it to deliver lasting results. A lot of organizations confuse workforce transformation with simple change initiatives. But transformation isn't about making incremental improvements or adding new skills here and there. It's about rethinking how your workforce operates at every level. And without a clear strategy, I've seen companies launch workforce initiatives that end up fragmented and ineffective. Teams don't adopt the changes, productivity suffers, and instead of progress, you get frustration. So let's break down why workforce transformation is different from regular change initiatives. First off, there's the scale challenge. Now, in medium to large organizations, transformation means affecting thousands of employees across different functions, locations, and levels. You're not just dealing with one department. You're orchestrating change across interconnected systems. Now, in a global organization, this complexity really increases. Transformation in one region might involve different cultural norms, regulatory requirements, and business conditions than in another. Successful companies, they tailor their approaches to accommodate these differences. Next, there's the connectivity effect. When you transform one part of the workforce, it inevitably impacts others. Now, a change in one department's workflow might require retraining in another. In retail, for example, introducing AI-driven inventory management can call for changes in supply chain processes and store-level operations. Ignoring these ripple effects is a common reason why transformations fall short. And finally, of course, there's the human impact. Transformation affects people's roles, their routines, and sometimes their sense of purpose at work. And ignoring the emotional side of change can lead to resistance, disengagement, and ultimately failure. Now, one strategy to address resistance is to build early buy-in by involving employees in the transformation process. Now, involving frontline staff in the design and testing of new workflows really helps reduce anxiety and increases the likelihood of adoption. Transformation isn't just about new technology. It's about equipping people with the skills and mindsets they need to really thrive in a changing environment. Leading organizations, they invest heavily in learning and development, creating clear pathways for upskilling and retraining their people. In healthcare, for example, workforce transformation might involve adopting AI-driven diagnostic tools and training clinicians to work alongside those technologies. Sometimes old structures also get in the way of new ways of working. But successful organizations, they rethink their structures, moving silos and enabling more agile cross-functional collaboration. In finance, breaking down silos between compliance, operations, etc. can improve agility, helping teams respond faster to regulatory changes and market dynamics. Culture, of course, is often the hardest part to change, but is also the most important. Without the right culture, even the best strategies will struggle to take hold. But leading organizations, they focus on building cultures that support adaptability, collaboration, and continuous learning. And this requires leadership to set an example by embracing new behaviors and fostering an environment where experimentation is encouraged. Reimagining how work gets done, from hybrid work models to project-based team structures, can attract and retain top talent while improving productivity and engagement. In technology-driven sectors, agile project-based teams have proven successful in reducing time to market for new products and innovation. Once you have a clear picture of where your workforce is today and where it needs to be, the next step is strategy development. Successful organizations, they create comprehensive transformation plans that prioritize key initiatives while also ensuring alignment with business goals. Transformation typically follows a phased timeline. The initial phase might focus on building readiness, followed by pilot initiatives, scaling successful pilots, and finally, embedding transformation into the organizational culture. And this is where many transformations fail, because organizations sometimes try to do too much at once. The key is to manage multiple initiatives in phases, maintaining business continuity while driving change. Scaling transformation across a large workforce while maintaining quality is, of course, no easy task. Leading organizations, they solve this by leveraging scalable frameworks and tools while allowing for local adaptation. Now, change, of course, is uncomfortable and people naturally resist it. So the key is to engage your employees early. Listen to their concerns and involve them in shaping the transformation. Maintaining performance during transformation requires careful planning, clear communication, and a strong leadership to ensure the business keeps running smoothly. Tracking capability growth also helps you see whether your people are developing the skills they need to succeed in the transformed organization. Quantitative metrics like the percentage of employees completing upskilling programs or improvements in key performance indicators help measure progress. Measuring business impact means looking for improvements in performance, customer satisfaction, and innovation. Assessing cultural shift involves observing whether behaviors are changing in line with the desired culture. Employee well-being is also a critical factor during workforce transformation. Providing access to mental health resources, ensuring manageable workloads, and fostering a supportive environment can all help mitigate stress and prevent burnout. Now, looking ahead, workforce transformation will continue to evolve. AI and automation will change the nature of work. Hybrid models will become the norm, and employee expectations will keep shifting. Organizations that succeed in workforce transformation will be those that can adapt quickly while keeping their people at the center. Now, if you're ready to take the next step in transforming your workforce, check out the links below for resources and tools to help you get started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.